How to log in to NordFX account. Hello and welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you want to log into your existing NordFX account, then the process is quite easy. First thing to do is to open a web browser on your device, and then in the URL box type in nordfx.com and search. You'll then end up in the official website of NordFX, from where you'll need to go to the top right section and click the login button. Now in the pop-up, go ahead and select the login type. If you've registered your account October 7th, 2025, pick the first option. If your account is older than that date, you can choose the second option. Pick any one, and then on the next page, you'll be asked to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your correct email address associated with your account in the first box. Now on the next field, go ahead and write down your correct password, and once you are done, click login. If you are having trouble remembering your password, you can tap on this forgot your password link and follow through the password reset process. After filling in your details, click login and you'll be signed in to your existing NordFX account. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.